Hello everyone, my name is Parsh Mishra and this is my Python project which I made for final project submission of CS50P. Now name of my project is Pendlex, which is an expense tracker which I made for myself. Now I'll show you a demo for it. This project is basically a CLI based expense tracker. So here you can see all your CLI menu. So I'll just add an expense. So I'll put a random amount 400 food. So I have this function called smart category. So if I leave this option blank, it will automatically generate a category and put it here. But I am going to put it as groceries. It will ask me today's date, so I'll put it 2025 11/27. So here you can see expenses added. Now I want to see all my expenses, so I'll type in 2, and here is a tabular form of all my expenses. Here you can see the date, the category, description and amount. So next up we have view monthly summary. So when I click 3, it will ask me months, so let's just put November here, 2025, and here I can see my total spendings for this month, total transition, categories like mix, appliances, groceries and food. So next up we have fourth, category chart. So when I click 4, it will display me a pie chart of my spendings by category. So here you can see food, groceries, appliances, mix. So next up we have show monthly chart. So when I type in 5, it will ask me here, I'll put in 2025, and here is a bar graph. So I put one expense for January and a few more for November. So this is a bar graph that shows you monthly spendings for a certain year. Now next up we have show spending score. Now I have a function that calculates your spending score based on your spendings out of 100. So when I type in 6, it will ask me for months, so I'll just keep it blank for all, and as it will ask me for year, I'll also keep it blank. And here you can see my overall spending score was 54 out of 100. And that was it for my project. I hope you like it. Bye bye.